Here's how to use ClickUp AI Note Taker. So ClickUp AI can be accessible on the Chrome, Safari, or Google. And then you can go ahead and download it as well on your mobile app if you want to, and then just go ahead and log in. Now, for you to be able to use it, you have to put on your work email first and click on Activate. Afterwards, once you have already activated it, you can now go ahead and redirect yourself on the dashboard. As you can see on the spaces, there are tasks and you can create a space within your name, and you can also edit the permission within the group of your ClickUp note taker. Now, if you want to create a task or list, click on the create button that you can see and then create a list. For example, on the name, we are going to type do this document or do this inventory. Click on the create options and then send or choose which you want to send the task with. As you can see, I have selected the team space. And now the list or the list that you are going to do will be now displayed on the recent task. And now the team space members will now do it on your end. You can also have a planner if you want to, and go ahead and invite people as a member on your space.